Okay, last video of the day. So let's check out Bitcoin against the US dollar. Now in the last video I made for Bitcoin, I said I need three things to happen before I can turn macro bullish again. Number one was we break out of this red trend line here. So we've done number one. Number two was we broke above this level here, 40,000. And number three was we break above this previous macro high that we had in this downtrend, which is at 43,400. Because obviously if we zoom out, you know, if we roll over now, this is technically, or it isn't, you know, it is a lower high. So we would really need to see if we are able to get back above this 43,500. If we're not able to get above 43,500, then obviously this is going to be a lower high and we're probably going to back test the lows. Now Bitcoin's really in decision time. I'm not going to make a prediction whether we're going to break bullish or bearish, because I simply want to react to the market and see what happens. Now if we are able to break above this 43,000, if we do get a lot of support coming in and we are starting to look bullish again, then I would definitely be buying back Bitcoin. But like I said in my previous video, I will not be trying to catch the knife on Bitcoin. So I outlined it in the previous video. I need these three things to happen for me to get bullish. Until all of that happens, then I unfortunately can't be bullish on Bitcoin yet. Now let's zoom in to see if there's anything else happening in the chart. Now from low to high here, you can see the 618 is also round about 44,400. So there is a lot of resistance coming in right here at 44,200. Now let me mark this red as well, and let me mark this red as resistance. So you can see that we have this big resistance box all in here, and that is going to act as a very strong wall of sellers. There's going to be a lot of people looking to sell here. Now if we take the fib from the top to the bottom, let's see if we've broken above anything important yet. No, we haven't. So from the all-time high down here to down here, you can see that we've really only just poked our head above the 236. So there are so many people getting out of bed for this move right now, and I feel like it's a bit unwarranted. Bitcoin does these crazy spikes to the upside a lot of the time in downtrends, and you know, people go absolutely apeshit thinking it's going to go to the moon straight away. But you know, we've only come and back tested the 236 as of now. So just one more time, because I mean I outlined in my previous video that I need to see these three things happen. We've broken above this resistance, so we've done number one. We've broken above this orange box here at 40,000, which is number two. And number three, I'm gonna move up my target from 43.5 to between 43.5 and 44.3, because obviously, you know, we could come up here to the 618 and get rejected, and obviously a retrace or a retest of the 618 and a rejection is obviously extremely bearish. So I would like to see some more volume stepping in on the daily. RSI looks, you know, relatively healthy right now. I mean, we've really turned up here. If we come over to the weekly, you can see a pretty strong volume candle coming in. We have seen a lot crazier before, but obviously since this downtrend, which started here, the last 2 weeks have been the most volume that we've had since this downtrend of the all-time high. So, you know, volume is stepping in, which is, you know, very indicative that people are buying up this market. People think the bottom is near. On the monthly, decent amount of volume coming in. Bear in mind, this is obviously the 6th, so we still do have a lot of time for this to rival these other candles up here. Also on the monthly, you can see RSI has made a lower high, and it seems to have bounced off this trend line. So there are multiple indicators that are just kind of saying that the bottom is in, and that's basically it. So yeah, once we get above 44.2 or 44.3, then I can really start getting bullish. If we do break above 43.3, come up here, retest it, and if I do see a lot of, you know, green volume coming in like this, then I will definitely be starting to buy Bitcoin. But you know, if we could obviously come up here to do something like this and roll over to maybe backtest the previous lows for some more chop, or maybe even a bear market, a mini bear market. I mean, nobody really knows, so I'm waiting for the market to tell me if we're breaking bullish or bearish, and right now we are in decision time. So not too much to say. I would say keep an eye out on 43.5 and also keep an eye out on 44.3. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Bitcoin right now. If we come over to the total market cap as well, you can see that we've actually broken above the 618. So it seems like the total market cap is telling us that we are breaking back bullish, but I'd really want to hold or open the next weekly candle around here, get a nice retest of the 618 if we come down here on a weekly candle and get a bounce, and I think that would definitely mean that total market cap has decided for Bitcoin that we are going back into a bullish structure again. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for the market right now. Like I said, keep an eye out for these price levels that I've given you. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.